channel. We are the Korean Yo-Yos. And in this YouTube channel, we teach yo-yo tricks, very cool ones, unresponsive yo-yo tricks, which we'll talk about in a second. And we do yo-yo challenges and battles, which will be very fun and exciting. So, yo-yos used to be responsive, which means they come up with a tug and they have an extremely low spin time. Nowadays, the yo-yos have been upgraded. There are unresponsive yo-yos, yo-yos that basically don't come back up with a tug, and we need to do a trick called the bind to bring them back up. And basically, with these unresponsive yo-yos, they spin way longer. And finally, we've come to the most important part of the video. Today's tutorial will be how to bring the unresponsive yo-yo back up, and as I talked about it, you have to do a trick called the bind. And now to do the bind, you have to throw the yo-yo. You basically throw a good sleeper, you throw the yo-yo hard until it has enough spin. So to throw a good sleeper, you would need to put your hand in a muscle. Show your muscles, even if you don't have them. So you're gonna show them towards the straight part of your body, depends on how for the area. So in this case, I'm doing it this side so I can show you. So you're gonna go, and with power, you're gonna tip the yo-yo down. Because if you don't do it with power, the yo-yo is not gonna be spinning well, and the bind won't be any proper. So now you know how to throw sleeper for the bind. Throw sleeper, put your finger in front of the string, not behind. What many people do is they'll put the string behind. They'll put the finger behind the string, which basically, if you're throwing the yo-yo like that, the bind won't work. So when you throw the yo-yo, put your finger in front of the string and put this string, pinch the string here, and then put this remaining string here. So now for a sideways view, throw the yo-yo and then pinch the string. So make sure from here that the string you pinch is longer from the string from the yo-yo to the pinch, so it's like that. Then what you're gonna do is put the yo-yo, put the string above and around the yo-yo like that. Okay. Now for the most important part of doing the bind is throwing the yo-yo, putting your finger in front of the string, putting the string over and under the yo-yo, and now we get this. We have to, when we're doing this, when we put the string around the yo-yo, we pinch this top string here and bring this hand, the throw hand, up like that, and leave this string on this hand. So again, a nice sleeper. Put your finger in front of the yo-yo, over and around. Put your throw hand up, throw hand down, like that. Now for a sideways view again. So you throw the yo-yo, get to the string, put your finger in front of the string, you get it around the yo-yo. For the last most important part, your throw hand, you put it up, your not throw hand, you put it down, which causes the yo-yo to come right back up, okay? So do it at the same time. So I want you to put your hand up and the other hand down all at the same time. It's supposed to work. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want more content, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.